Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor X12, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and from the boot options, hold power off. You can see that this changes into reboot to safe mode, so we will just click on OK. This will initiate a reboot, and when the device boots back up, it will enter safe mode. Now in that mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you've installed yourself will not work as long as you are in there. And this is done just for troubleshooting purposes. So if you don't have any kind of trouble with your device, there is very little reason for you to actually enter this mode. Okay, after a obnoxiously long amount of time, the device finally booted back up. So let me just unlock it and you can see how it looks like. So we do have the safe mode right here in the corner, indicating that we are now in the desired mode. And in a second, you should be able to, I guess, not see any kind of applications that won't run in here. I'm not sure if they're hidden. I'm pretty sure there was a second page, but in any case, obviously these applications that you can see right here are all the ones that you can open up and use. Any app other than that that you have installed yourself from Play Store or whatever else will not be either visible in here nor work. Now anyway, once you're done troubleshooting your device and you want to go back to the normal mode, to do so, you just hold the power button again, and this time around select restart, and when the device boots back up, it automatically enters back into the normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.